In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a resume in Figma. Whether you're looking for a new job or just want to update your professional profile, creating a well-designed resume can make all the difference. Figma, a collaborative interface design tool, offers plenty of templates and resources that will help you create a standout resume with ease. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll need to head over to Figma's website. If you're new to Figma, you'll find it at figma.com. Once you're there, the first thing you need to do is log in. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up quite easily. Signing up is free and will allow you to access all the wonderful tools that Figma has to offer. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. This is your hub for all things creative and collaborative within the platform. From the homepage, the next step is to click on the Templates and Tools section. It's a gateway to a treasure trove of design resources, offering you an incredible variety of templates to choose from. Take a moment here to explore what's available. Once you've clicked on the section, you'll want to navigate to Browse Resources. This section is where you will find user-generated content and community resources that can be used to kickstart your resume building process. Now, within the Browse Resources area, the search bar becomes your best friend. Type in resume and hit search. You'll see a variety of templates designed by the Figma community, each offering unique styles and structures. This allows you to find the perfect match for your personality and career goals. Be sure to browse through a few different options and select a template that meets your needs and appeals to you visually. Once you've selected a resume template, you can begin customizing it to fit your personal information and style. Figma's interface is intuitive, allowing you to easily change text, adjust colors, and move elements around to create a resume that truly represents you. Remember to keep your content clear and concise, highlighting key achievements and skills that make you stand out as a candidate. By following these steps, you'll have a personalized, visually appealing resume ready to impress potential employers. Don't forget to save your work and export your resume in a format that best suits your application needs. Congratulations on taking this crucial step towards enhancing your professional presence. Feel free to experiment with different designs and elements until you're satisfied with the final result. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, don't hesitate to explore further resources and tutorials on Figma for more design inspiration. Until next time, happy designing.